So, hi, I'm Dan Cook, Director of External Affairs for Viridor. We're delighted to be here at the Convention of Scottish Local Authorities today and to be sponsoring a fringe event looking at the challenges of delivering zero waste in an austerity agenda. What are the risks and opportunities available to local authorities to carry on driving recycling, reuse and good resource efficiency?
I'd like to thank Viridor very much for the invitation to speak here. As Lindsay said, I'm a policy manager with COSLA. I deal with waste, carbon and climate change.
Good morning, and thanks for coming along to listen to us speak. It's nice to be home.
Yes, my name's Charlie Devine and I'm Head of Resource Management within Zero Waste Scotland. Well, a large piece of our work is helping local authorities to look at the recycling systems and their waste collection systems in general, to look to see if they're fit for purpose, if they do perform and do give them the range of materials anticipated from them, and to help them to work in new business models and new systems that will do that in the future for them if required. The big focus is to try and help support local authorities in terms of procuring the services required in terms of taking the material to market that they collect, making sure that the material they have got is of marketable quality and they've got an outlet for that, and also the opportunity to work in collaboration with other local authorities who have similar systems to try and make the best of what is a very challenging market at the moment.
Hi, I'm Ian Macaulay. I'm the Chief Executive of Viridor. I'm here at the COSLA Convention in Scotland. We're here discussing the challenges and opportunities of austerity in relation to driving forward quality in the recycling sector. It's been quite clear from some of the things I've heard that there are very significant challenges in terms of budgets, cost cuts and finding efficiencies for all of the local authorities. The heartening thing for me is that we're all looking for innovative ways of doing more with the same amount of money or even less money, and partnership is a key element of that. I think balance is a very, very critical term now for the resources sector. We've got to be looking at the economic realism of driving for more and more recycling. We are seeing commodity prices plunging in many areas, and therefore, particularly in the plastic sector, the economics are becoming exceedingly difficult, if not impossible in some cases, to drive recycling levels higher. The mass balance equation of arisings versus recycling, reuse and recovery is something that we have to consider holistically. We should not be considering each of these in isolation. We've got to look at the economic returns, the economic benefits, the jobs that it creates, and try to get the optimum balance across that whole mass balance equation. Viridor is working with a number of local authorities in partnership. Two or three of the key areas I think I would mention. We're looking at the Glasgow, the GREC scheme, where we are building a new energy recovery facility, but we're also dealing with the recycling and anaerobic digestion at that facility as well. And that's coming along very well indeed. We're now looking at doing something similar in Dunbar on the east coast. And we work with a number of local authorities in terms of optimising collections, quality of collections and how we throughput through our MRF facilities.
So we've just heard an excellent session looking at the challenges and opportunities for a zero waste agenda here in Scotland. Some great contributions from Zero Waste Scotland, from COSLA and especially from the local authorities themselves who are out there delivering essential recycling and recovery services in what are challenging times. For more details, please visit viridor.co.uk.